Welcome to the building site. Today I'm going to present you the Outil Parfait Roller and Smoothing Kit. All the kits in the range are available in a case allowing easy storage and transport. These are clearly identifiable and each kit is tailored for each step of the process. In this kit you will find one clip frame with 220mm roll enduit roller, one clip frame with 80mm roll enduit roller, one telescopic pole from 70cm to 1m40 m, four Parfait Lisse smoothing blades of 10, 25, 45 and 60cm, as well as one special Parfait Lisse telescopic pole from 50cm to 1 meter. Our kits are designed for applying drywall compound using a pole, thereby eliminating the need for stilts, stepladders or scaffolding. Our method reduces fatigue and the risk of musculoskeletal disorders for the person applying the material. Now let's get down to business. Let me show you how you can improve your productivity with our tools while reducing your efforts. Our entire range is specially designed for coating with ready mixed and preferably lightweight compound. We would advise you to start by mixing your compound following the manufacturer's recommendations. We have developed a special mixer for this, which guarantees optimum mixing thanks to its vortex effect, and it will whip up with product. The plastic paddle prevents chips from forming in the compound. The texture obtained should be consistent. Of course, your substrate must be dry and free of dust. We are now going to start coating our substrate. To do this, I fit the 220mm roll enduit roller onto the pole. I then adjust the height of my pole. Our roll enduit systems are ideal for this type of application. Their nylon fibre design allows the coating to be properly loaded onto the roller and evenly distributed on the substrate for a splash-free application. I advise you to go straight into the middle of the compound, roll it lightly and repeat the operation until it is evenly loaded up. A trick from a pro when using a new roller is to wipe any residue off on a piece of scrap plasterboard. I would advise you to start your coating in the middle of the board. This will make it easier for you to spread out the coat upwards and then downwards. You will find that our roller technology lends itself to an even distribution because it takes up any excess compound, thus guaranteeing an even coat. If you are working on your own, I'd advise you to coat small areas and smooth as you go along, which we are going to do now. To smooth down, I fit the Parfait Lisse blade onto its pole. The Parfait Lisse boasts the Biflex technology. Its flexible hardened stainless steel blade applied against the rigid plastic profile makes for perfectly flat smoothing. The ends of the blade are tangential and tapered to avoid leaving marks. I'd advise you to tilt the blade so that the rear heel is 1 cm away from the substrate. The Parfait Lisse Plus pole set is very light and well balanced. Just like when you're joint taping, working in pairs will guarantee optimum productivity. The first person coats and the other smooths. Working corners is easier and any excess plaster is easily managed. With this blade I can also work by hand and thus perfectly control my movement and the leverage effect. This means I can fully master the angle in any configuration. Thanks to our 22cm roll enduit and a Parfait Lisse, you can smooth on your own up to 40 square meters per hour. In order to help you in your smoothing work, the kit comes with several sizes of spatulas so you can adapt your work to the majority of situations. Depending on the initial substrate, one coat should be enough, otherwise repeat the process. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and we have been able to answer your questions. If you want to find out more, there are links in the description and check out our YouTube channel for more videos. All that's left for me to do is to wish you well in your work and I hope to see you pros again soon.